Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to enable and how to customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So let's start with opening the settings because we will start with the customization and then I'll show you much faster access to this option. So after entering the settings, we have to enter the display section and then find the nightlight, which is quite funny thing because here in the settings it is called nightlight and in the shortcuts it is eye comfort mode, but that's okay. So we can turn it on here just by tapping on the switcher and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl then I highly recommend to use this mode. It will be simply easier. So let's tap on the nightlight to customize it, and here let's start with the intensity. By going to the left with the switcher we can make it cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. It's almost orangish, I would say. It's up to you which intensity is the best. We can also schedule that feature. None option means that it is manual, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can fully pick the start and the end time up to you, and also the sunset to sunrise, and here basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is I believe location based, so it's up to you which option you want to use. So this is the customization of the nightlight or eye comfort mode, and to have much faster access to that we have to simply unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, and then let's scroll to find the eye comfort. As you can see here we've got a totally different name for this mode. Currently it is of course turned on. You have to tap on it to turn it off, and the screen will get back to its normal state, and the same situation if you want to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.